Shit, y'all know who I be. Educate yourself, then state yourself. Take a look in the mirror and rate yourself. Knock life in the building, dance all hot rapper. Now we gonna get the record straight. To the government of my country, which is Jamaica as usual, you feel me? Education is key. Now let's really talk about this so-called violence in the music. Number one, no such thing. Music is an art. Just like watching a television series or a rated R movie or a sex movie, everything is an art and it's rated for mature audiences, not for kids. Just like YouTube got that kids and not for kids thing, correct? Okay, since you dumbass government officials are looking for an scapegoat for the violence in which is taking place in Jamaica, you ain't gonna get one, cause you the cause of it. You bringing in the guns. You distributing the guns. I never heard, listen, I'm gangster in these motherfucking streets. Let's get it together. I'm a motherfucking gangster, nigga, but I'm an educated one. Cause gangster don't mean negative and gangster don't mean dumb. Gangster meaning, shit, we grew up through some hard motherfucking times and we had to do what we had to do to fucking survive. So if we want to write about it, make a movie about it, or talk about it, shit, we entitled to do what the fuck we want. Freedom of everything. Let's get this straight. Let's get it together. Stop the bullshit and stop looking for an scapegoat for all the guns you bringing in the country and for all the destructions you causing in the country and for all the sellout of the country and for all the underpaid people in the country. That's what causes violence. A nigga wake up in the morning and be like, damn, I'm working for $3.50 US an hour. Is that a minimum wage right there? Is that a minimum wage? $3.50 an hour. Do we get any incentives for our hard work? No. The more hours you work, the more money you make. At $3, okay. Now we see where violence can occur from. Is Jamaica on the real proper minimum wage and wages pertaining to when kids finish school and go get a job, or do they gotta go on that call center plantation, sit down for all their lives, can't accomplish nothing or achieve nothing at $3.50 an hour? Come on now, let's get to violence. Depriving your people of everything that is great is a cause for violence. Underpaying people is a cause for violence. Sooner or later, all these slave masters who got businesses in this country, they gonna have to go. Because before a real G like me turn against my own people who I love so much, who you think I'ma run the fuck up out of here? And what y'all gonna do about it? The majority rules, nigga. Some of you government officials can't even leave the country because other government officials feel you niggas are not living right. So they took that visa the fuck away as a government official. How you let another government take your visa away to travel? You must not be living right. So before you even look down here upon us, clean up your motherfucking houses up top. You know what I mean? Clean up that dirty, stinking body wall of a government. That's what y'all need to do. You get what I'm saying? Education is key. Fuck y'all. Talk about music causing violence. Listen, do you know when you watch a movie and you physically see it with your eyes? How you put the pin in here, take out the gun here, put the clip in here, move the pin off. If I'm doing music, you can't see all that. In my music, you can't see all that. You know what I mean? Everyone is educated. What you talking about music? How come I watch the wickedest gun show and I don't think of going out there to perform that act? It's a show. I just got watching a TV show where niggas was chopping niggas' heads off, killing niggas, shooting niggas, everything. And I don't hear y'all emphasizing on please make more positive movies. Think about it. I don't hear y'all talking about, please, let's make more positive movies. Let's keep it constructive for the youths. Come on. Look at these cartoons. Homosexuality, guns, everything. And it's playing right out. Cartoons that they can physically see. That image is going to be in their head, their minds forever. Violently. But when they hear it, nah. Because I remember when my moms and pops used to talk to me, before they end the conversation, you not hear nothing with me. I say, I got you one ears and come out the other. But if I see it, or if I physically go through the abuse, what you gonna tell me? Listen, to the government officials of Jamaica, stop the bullshit, man. Stop using the excuse to do other things to fuck your people up, man, because you and your family happy. If there's even a revolution for fuckery, you and your family gonna take that first jet up out this motherfucker. That's why we educated now. Do we look like what's going on in America? For us to riot and mash up Philly on our business, mash up Philly on our country? When you know Jamaicans the riot, nigga, we relax. We triple C's, nigga. Cool, calm, and collective. We ain't gonna destroy what we build, nigga. Would I look like burning down my own brethren's shop in the sense of riots and not... Listen, stop the bullshit. When push come to shove, we know who the fuck to go for. We know which head to chop the fuck off. Put it to you that way. We tired of this slavery shit now, man. And you know how they do it? They just check the heads of our government and they pass all the negativity down to us. You know what I mean? What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man? We put y'all in power to live a good life so we could live a good life. Shit, we put y'all in power, we live in the worst life. We can't even eat. We ain't getting no stimulus. We ain't getting nothing to keep us going to say, yeah, man, big up to my bumbuckler government, man. They might give me things for eat, me all right, me good. What the fuck? Then y'all want to switch the narrative and talk about violence is the and some of you dumb motherfucking Jamaicans, man, y'all need to eat a fucking dick. That's my word. Eat a motherfucking dick. We DIE, nigga. Deportees in exile, nigga. Watch your motherfucking self, nigga. We highly educated, nigga, and we preparing for some of you Uncle Tom motherfuckers, man. As you can see, my country ain't giving me a fucking way out because of this suck-ball, suck-cock government in which we have to go under. And there ain't no separation when I say government. I'm talking about the whole fucking body because I don't participate in politics. I burn it down to the motherfucking ground. How much pain do you think we could motherfucking take? And fuck you yes men niggas, man. Fuck y'all niggas, man. Because if you think I'm going to hurt my own Jamaican, you got a sad fucking mistake coming. Too many slave masters in this motherfucker. I would never, ever hurt physically, emotionally, mentally, nothing. I would never, ever hurt another Jamaican man or woman like me, motherfucker. Get that twisted. All the slave masters in here, in this country with their businesses and all that, good fucking bye, nigga. You don't like us anyway. So when push come to shove, we coming at you first. And we taking everything because it's ours anyway. And we still ain't get that reparation money yet. So fuck y'all. Education is key. The new era is here. And whoever don't like it, y'all already know. See, I don't need to call no names. Who the motherfucking cap fits, wear it. You lame ass Jamaican motherfuckers eating dick, taking fucking the ass niggas. Y'all gonna feel the motherfucking pain. He ain't scared of nothing, nigga. And if push came to shove and y'all really want to pressure and hurt, yo, listen, don't do it, man. This ain't these uneducated Jamaican fake ass gangsters who hurting their own people you looking at, man. This is the definition of education, man. Well organized, man. Fuck, I look like hurting my people. How the fuck is the universe gonna look at me? Huh? How is what I'm created of? How is what I'm made it of? Flesh and bone, the stardust in the sky. How's the dirt in the ground? Motherfucker, how the trees that are listening gonna look at me if I hurt my own kind? So many slave masters out there for me to fuck up. What y'all gonna put me down, kill me? Listen, if y'all want to send me to my ancestors in the sea to become a storm, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I lived a fruitful, happy, dangerous, gangsterous motherfucking life at that. So I'm good, nigga. I'm here now, well intelligent, without the bullshit, nigga. And I see that third eye everywhere. I see. You get what I'm saying? So I want my Jamaican people to wake the fuck up, man. And stop letting these bitch ass, faggot ass taking dick in their mouth and ass men who married to women with them shitty pussy. Yeah. We know your man, nigga. He a faggot. And he use you as an scapegoat with children. And your pussy is shitty. The amount of ass he fucking out there. Don't play with me, man. Listen. I will pull y'all niggas cards, man. You know what I mean? You suck it. And some of you entertainers are the same fucking thing, man. You sell out to these motherfucking corporate entities, man. Because they got their finger in your ass, wiggling that shit, man. And y'all like it. Y'all, me not gonna say nothing. Me not gonna say nothing. Fucking faggot ass niggas, don't play with me, man. Enough is the fucking enough, man. Let's get our motherfucking country on track, and we gonna leave it at that. You feel me? Educate yourself, then state yourself, you bitch ass niggas.